Are you tired of spending a fortune on expensive beauty products that promise miraculous results? Well, it's time to raid your pantry and discover the power of kitchen bouquet ingredients. Yes, you heard me right. Your kitchen is a treasure trove of natural beauty hacks that can transform your skin and hair. From honey and avocado to coconut oil and oatmeal, these humble ingredients can work wonders and give you that coveted glow. So, let's dive into the world of kitchen bouquet ingredients and unlock their magical properties. First on our list is honey. This golden nectar not only adds sweetness to your tea but also offers a myriad of beauty benefits. Packed with antioxidants and antibacterial properties, honey is a natural moisturizer and can help soothe and heal acne-prone skin. Simply mix a tablespoon of honey with a few drops of lemon juice and apply it to your face as a face mask. Leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse off. Voila! You'll be left with soft, supple skin that radiates health. Next up is avocado, the creamy fruit that is not only delicious but also fantastic for your hair. Rich in essential fatty acids and vitamins, avocado can nourish and moisturize your hair, leaving it shiny and silky smooth. Mash half an avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply this mixture to your hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing off with shampoo. You'll be amazed at how luscious your locks feel after this simple treatment. Now let's talk about coconut oil, the multi-purpose ingredient that deserves a spot in every beauty routine. Not only can coconut oil moisturize and hydrate your skin, but it also acts as a natural makeup remover. Yes, you heard that right. Simply dab some coconut oil onto a cotton pad and gently swipe it across your face to remove stubborn makeup. The best part? Coconut oil is gentle on the skin and won't strip away its natural oils. Last but not least, let's explore the wonders of oatmeal. This humble grain is not just for breakfast, it can also work wonders for your skin. Oatmeal is known for its soothing properties and can help calm irritated skin and reduce inflammation. Create a DIY oatmeal face mask by blending half a cup of cooked oatmeal with a tablespoon of honey and a teaspoon of olive oil. Apply this mixture to your face, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then rinse off with warm water. Your skin will thank you for this nourishing treat. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the power of kitchen bouquet ingredients. Who would have thought that the key to radiant skin and luscious hair could be found right in our own pantries? With these natural beauty hacks, you can save money and embrace the goodness of Mother Nature. So go ahead, unleash your creativity in the kitchen and discover the magic of these simple yet effective ingredients. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for next video updates.